My name is Moiya and this is my kitchen. Hi, welcome back to How to Cook Great Food. And today we're gonna make yellow rice. Let's go to the ingredients. First, we need 2 cups of basmati rice. We're gonna wash it 3 times in cold water. Now the rice is here with water and it's clean. We put 3 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. Now we're gonna put some things inside so that it will make it yellow and tasty. Bay leaf, green cardamom, salt, turmeric. Now we're gonna cook it until the water is gone. Now it's boiling and we're gonna see you in a few minutes. Now it's finished and it was here in 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it in the plate. Okay, so the rice is ready. I hope you enjoy this video. Lots of love. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!